Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see list data type in Python. Now see, list is nothing but the ordered collection of data items which can be of different data type. This list can be of integer, list can be of string also. Again, list in Python are created by just placing a sequence inside a square brackets. Let's see, here I have declared one list. Welcome. In that I have passed the string welcome to Python programming and it is given in square brackets. So it is compulsory to give the square bracket. Again, there are different possibilities. List can be empty. Again, list with single string element, list with multiple string elements, and list with multi-dimensional element. Now see what is meaning of list can be empty. Now see, just I have declared list is equal to and empty square brackets are there. I have not given any value here. So it is the initial blank list. Now second thing is with single string element. Now see, within single quote I have provided only one string, that is welcome to Python programming. So list can be with one element. Third case is list with multiple string elements. Now see, within this list I have passed three different strings: database, Java and Python. It means it is with multiple string elements. And by using its position, I can access the elements of the list. For example, list of 0 means zeroth element. That is the database is the zeroth element. Then Java is the first, Python is second. Means within my output data and Python it will display. Again, fourth case is multidimensional list. So multidimensional list means within first list I have written database Java. Again, within second, I have written Python. Again, I have passed some values 4, 7, 9, 8, that is integer values. Again, in third dimension, third bracket, I have written 8, 4, 3, 1. Here, dimensions are also different and data types are also different. Means it is allowed for the list. So, I want to print multi-dimensional list. For that, I have written this statement print list. So, it will print the elements of this. So output of this will be like this: initial blank list. Again, welcome to Python programming. That is a list with the single element. After that, we have used this position, that is the zeroth element, and second element, that is a database and Python. The next case is list with the multiple dimensions. So I'm accessing the complete list here. So whatever I'm passing here, all the things will get accessed here. So it is nothing but the multi-dimensional list. The next case is accessing the list items. Now see, we can use the index operator to access the list item. The first element is at the zeroth position. Thus I have passed this list here, welcome to Python programming. So first string, this welcome, is nothing but at the zeroth position. Again, we can use the negative indexing also. Negative indexing means the last element is considered as a -1. Means programming will be -1, to Python will be -2 element, welcome will be. To access the elements of the list, suppose I have written print list of 0th element, it will access the welcome. List of second element, where this is the 0th element, this is first element, and programming will be the second element. So it will access the programming. So output for these two statements will be the welcome programming. Welcome and welcome programming. And accessing element using negative index, list of -1 and list of -2. -1 will be programming and to Python will -2 number. So programming and to Python. These are the elements. We'll do code for this program. So open the file, new file, select the Python file. So first I will create the empty list. So list is equal to in square bracket print initial empty list. So this is empty list, so it will not display the elements. So just type print, again in curly bracket type list. Save this program, list data type. By using Ctrl+S button, you can save this program. Once you save this program, here is a option to run the Python file. So just execute it. Now see, it is just showing the initial empty list and only it is giving the square brackets. It doesn't contain any kind of value. Suppose I want to show the next case as list with a single string. So I will write the string welcome. Again, I will display the message print list with single string, list with single string. When I want to access this list, so just type print, again in bracket type list. Save the program, Control S, again execute the program. Now see, it is showing the list as a welcome. Suppose I want to show the list for multiple string, so I will update here only. I will add here different programming languages name, for example Java, Python. I have passed 3 parameters here, welcome, Java, Python. And here I will modify this as multiple. Now see, it is showing welcome, Java, Python. Again, I can add the integer data type also. So suppose I have added it as a value 6, 9, any integer values. Again, save this program, Control S, just click this. Now see, it is showing in output welcome, Java, Python 5, 6, 9. Means list contains the multiple and different data types also. So this is one parameter, or this is one dimension. I want to add one more dimension. I want to show the multi-dimensional list. So suppose this is my first dimension. Again, I will add the second dimension. Suppose I'm passing here values 5, 9, 1, 2. Again, I am taking the third parameter as suppose I want to take string here with single colons. I will take C++, again comma 34 string, any value you can type. Now here I want to show list with the multiple dimensions. I will modify it as dimensions. So save the program by using Control S. Again execute program by using this option, run Python file. Once you execute, now see, it's showing list with the multiple dimensions. So it is showing the dimensions here within this output. Welcome, Java, Python, and all these dimensions. Now see, I want to access the elements of list. So to access the elements of list, again, I will use the list, print list, and the atom which I want to access. Suppose I want to access only first element of list at first position. Means at 0th position, this first dimension is there. Welcome, Java, Python, and all. I want to access the first element, means this will access this dimension 591. So save the program, execute the program. Now see, it is accessing the first element, that is 591. In this way, we can access the elements of list by using the index. Suppose I want to access this last element, I can use -1 for that, because it is called as a negative indexing, and when it starts from backwards, it is -1, -2, -3, like so. Just I have made the change here, -1. So save this program, again execute the program. Now see, -1 is nothing but a negative indexing. It starts from last dimension, so it is taking the last value of this list. So that is displayed here, C++ 34.6. So in this way, we can access the list elements. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.